to? Okay. Oh, shit! Oh, fuck. Sige, okay lang. Oh my god! That's... Ain't no way! Oh my god.
What the dog doing?
Okay. Chotomate? What the fuck? Ang hirap maglakad ng straight. I'm not gay or anything. Pero like... yeah. What the hell? Nandito? Oh. You're pathetic. You're pathetic. Bro! Mukha kang ano ipis. Chotomate! Oh my gosh, hold your horses. Hold your dog. Okay. Oh my god. Man, why is she shaking her ass? Kasi like hindi mo platform yung red. Bitch, what the hell? Oh no, oh no, oh. Shut up! Oh my god, calm down. Ugh, okay. Well, I fell.
Bro, wag ka maiipit sa platform.
Bro, yung itsura mo sa akin, like, wag maipit. Pag bumaba ng elevator, maiipit ka na doon sa gitna.
Walang nag-chat-chat. Oh, never mind. Oh my gosh. Calm down! Calm down! The fuck? Oh my god, he said calm down. Wait. Mamaya. Let me see. Okay. Go! What the hell? Oh my god, I'm fucking done. Oh my gosh, guys. Wait lang. May sasan ako sa GC.
What's that? What's that?
Where are we going?
Da-download
Sure, why
lang ako.
Goach. Oh, mukhang Enderman yun. What the hell? Ano yun?
I mean, makikita mo ba ako? Nakaskin naman ako eh. Ikaw to, Tay! Ay, hindi. Tara. Lead the way.
Why? Calm down! Calm down. Wait!
Bruh.
Where did I
Oh
go?
my God.
Oh no. I fell down hard.
Nahulog tayo sa pare-parehong butas.
Bakit umuusok ka, Teya? Umuusok ka ba?
What? Umusok ako? Guys, wait lang. Damn! Oh my god! There's like a face! Guys, nandito ba kayo?
Sinusundan ko yung
Guys,
mga
nandito ba kayo?
Sinusundan ko yung... Yeah, nandito kami.
Uy, asan si Blay?
Where the hell?
Nasaan ka? Yung JPEG! Yung JPEG!
See a face.
Palampasin lang muna natin tong JPEG.
Oh.
Palampasin muna! Fine. He can do
Oh my
it.
God.
She can do it.
Oh. Guys, oh my gosh. I ran like fucking crazy.
Gagi nagdire-diretso yung isa tas namatay.
Oh my god.
Kaya nga.
Uy, upuan ng parang for a guard. Like, upuan ng gardya. Gardya.
Di ba nasa security ka, Blay, hahali protect us?
No, you fucker. No.
I don't know.
Grabe, ang high-tech naman ng Japan. Wow,
Of
ganda.
course.
Oh my gosh.
Didn't we know that Japan is turning footsteps into electricity?
Wow.
Alam nyo ba yun, haha?
I swear to God. Oh my God. Ako.
Diyos ko, wala na akong nakita sa Instagram kundi ayon ng ayon.
So cute. Ba't ako nasa
Okay,
Manila?
change formation.
Damn!
Change formation ulit.
Ang daming tao. What the fuck? Uy, may Jollibee! Uy, may Jollibee! Nakita niyo yung Jollibee? Yung tiny bee? CBB?
Oo nga, no? Ano to? Bible study.
Uy, wag. Joke lang.
Tingnan niya. Sumama kayo sa akin. Bible study.
Uy, wag.
Praise
Patay ko pa.
be to God.
Patay ko pa. Let's open our Bibles.
Tae na, bakit may torch?
Uy, mag-Bible ka, Patrick. Bible mo, labas mo Bible mo. Hindi proper ang apoy. Word.
Paano mag-open?
Wait,
Praise
Jojo
be.
pose kada natayo. Oh, ano,
Ano to?
Oh my God. Oh my God. What the fuck?
Wait, what the fuck,
Ay,
haha?
ako naman pa ako.
Gagi galing ka baong si Michael Jackson.
This fucking creepy.
Tangina.
This fucking
Galing
creepy.
ka ba o si Michael Jackson?
Bro, ba't meron kang mini-you hanging around, lol?
I don't know. Large fry. Oh my God.
Bro, wala na ako mapaglagyan ng food ko.
Eh di, lito mo yung animation. Oh my gosh. Ano bang order mo? Fries lang.
Can't even put my fries.
Wait lang, sige fine. I'm gonna eat my food.
Oo naman.
Wow, eh! Sino ka dyan? Aba naman.
Yes! Ito yung mga pinaggagastusan ko. Bakit ka lagi may usok, Teya? Pati ba naman dito may usok ka pa rin? May usok ka pa rin. Mabaho, hindi ka ba naliligo? Tapos sobra ka sa pulbo. Tinan mo nga yung mukha mo eh. Pulbong-pulbo nga eh.
Gagi. Palabok. Uy,
Two-piece
Palabok
burger
solo.
steak.
may hotdog
Bacon, egg,
breakfast
cheese
pa talaga.
sandwich.